Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: an administrator account and saved work, because you will change drivers and services. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet and select Airplane Mode. If the toggle is responsive, switch it off. Once done, verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons return. If the toggle is grayed out or stays stuck, don't panic. This indicates software drivers or the radio service are blocked. So next you'll move into Device Manager and Services to restore control. You now target the middle steps that usually fix the problem. Open Device Manager, find your wireless and Bluetooth adapters, and update drivers first. If the toggle still fails, uninstall the adapter and restart so Windows reinstalls it. Then open Services. MSC, locate Radio Management Service, set its startup type to automatic, and start it. This service manages the OS radio state. Make sure the adapter power settings do not let Windows turn the device off. Once set, test the settings toggle. You finish by restarting Windows to apply driver and service changes, then immediately test Airplane Mode in Settings. If it toggles off, you're done. If it still misbehaves, reinstall the adapter driver from the PC Maker's site and confirm no physical airplane switch or keyboard FN key is locking radios. As a troubleshooting tip, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter and check BIOS wireless settings. If a recent driver caused it, roll back to the previous driver to restore the normal toggle behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.